Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to view your followed lists on X. If you've been exploring lists as a way to organize your feed or keep up with specific topics, this guide will show you exactly where to find them. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner where you'll find the menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap that. Next, from the menu that slides open, you'll see several options. What you'll want to select here is Lists. This is the hub where all of your list activity is stored, whether they're lists you've created or those you've chosen to follow. After tapping Lists, you'll be taken to a dedicated page. Here, you'll see a clear layout of your lists. The top portion usually shows any lists that you've pinned for quick access. These are the lists you want right at your fingertips every time you return to this section. If you scroll down just a bit, you'll find the section labeled Followed. This is where all the lists you follow from other people will appear. Think of it as your personal library of curated feeds. Whenever you discover an interesting list and hit that follow button, it will show up right here. From this page, you can tap on any specific list to view its feed. Each list gathers posts from the accounts included, so you can explore conversations or topics without the clutter of your full timeline. It's a powerful way to stay updated and focused on the content that interests you most. That's all there is to it. 3 simple steps. Open the menu, select Lists, and scroll to see your followed lists. With this feature, you can manage your experience on X more efficiently, tailoring your timeline to your needs and making it easier to keep up with the voices and subjects that matter to you. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips on using X effectively, so you can truly get the most out of the platform.